Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you the best eSIM for Vietnam. So traveling to Vietnam and want limited mobile data without worrying about roaming charges or buying a physical SIM card, in this video we will look at one of the best eSIM options for staying connected throughout Vietnam. So before we get started, click the link in the description to check out Yesim and find the right eSIM plan for your trip. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to install the Yesim profile on your phone. So the Yesim offers unlimited data eSIM plans for Vietnam. Let's go and find out. So at first, just tap on the search bar and look for Vietnam. Right, so this is the country, just tap it. And now you will need to tap on the number of the days on the unlimited plans tab, and as you can see they are offering multiple days or a couple of days until a month. So for example, I would go with the month right here, and it's so cheap for a month, as you can see. So it's only $68, and then you will need to choose the number of eSIMs and then go with the checkouts right here. So now you will need to choose the payment method, and even if you want to enable the auto top up or auto renewal to stay connected all the time, and then just go with pay right here and follow the prompts to complete the payment. Now guys, I'm going to show you how to install the eSIM profile on your iOS device. So actually guys, first you will need to go to the eSIM page and then tap on install right here. And now you will need to go to the eSIM plan. Alright, so go with the second one, go with done. Go on and turn on the line and the data roaming. So this is the first method. The second one is to scan the QR code. So go with mobile data option on your device settings. Go with add data plan. Go with use QR code and then scan the QR code. And now you will need to do the same thing. So eSIM plan done, and then enable these two options. For the Android guys, you will need to go to the Help Center, then go with the eSIM installation right here. And now you will need to go with install, and then just go to settings, activate the eSIM and SIM manager, and enable the data roaming and start your phone if necessary requested. So that's the second method that I'm going to show you, or I'm about to show you right now. Go ahead to the connections inside your phone settings, SIM card manager. Look for add mobile plan and tap it, and then just scan the QR code and do the same. So you'll need to enable the data roaming. So actually guys, once again, you will need to click the link in the description and choose the plan that best fits your trip. And that's if you want to check the latest eSIM plans and prices for Vietnam. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.